Every child in the world today has to learn history. Ninth graders today in the USA have to learn about the Soviet Union. Unfortunately, the history of the Soviet Union is not that simple. This is the Soviet Union in plain English. It's easy to imagine that World War I was the rise of the Soviet Union, and the Cold War was the fall of the Soviet Union. But that's not the case. The USSR, Soviet Union, leader Khrushchev, was signed and Leonid Brezhnev came to power in 1964. He put an end to people who spoke against the government dissidents. He invested in huge military buildup and voiced the Brezhnev Doctrine, 1968. Because of Brezhnev Doctrine, movements for change had to be stealthy. Romania and Hungary moved slowly toward change. However, Czechoslovakia made liberal changes under Alexander Dubček. The USSR watched carefully. In 1968, they invented and restored a communist dictatorship. In 1979, the Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan to ensure the Soviet influence. The following year, Solitary had 10 million members in Poland who pressed politically change. The Soviet Union could not invent because of its economical problems at home and the war with Afghanistan. In 1982, Brezhnev died.
They smell like donuts. They smell like donkeys.
The new leader of the USSR, Yuri Andropov, inherited Brezhnev's problems: poor economy, war with Afghanistan, and Solitary. Pope John Paul II was formed Poland and encouraged anti-communist forces. Although Yuri Andropov died only about 15 months after taking office, under his leadership, the USSR began to tackle its economic problems. He also promoted the career of a young and energetic communist leader named Mikhail Brezhnev. In 1984, Konstantin Chernenko was elected leader but died a year after. So in 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev became leader of the Soviet Union. The changes he imposed spiraled out of control and caused the demise of both communism and the Soviet Union. Now it's the end.